Him should remember. No say you did meet your wife.
As usual, you take the facts and mangle them to suit your purpose. Martin never introduced me to my wife. My wife took off with Martin to suit her own purposes. So she give me bond with him. And I never do to him what you did. Suppose it had been you it happened to.
All that not really important now, you know. All I know, that is when Alliance decide to farm against me to try and kill me.
Oh, ye have little faith and even less knowledge. Tony utilized our son to force her to allow him to be able to get next to you to kill you.
So, what you really say is that in all of this, Audrey is innocent. And Tony just used her son for try and get to me. Whoa.
I'm not saying she's innocent, son. But she wasn't willing. As a matter of fact, the person with the contract is the one you took out yesterday.
Wait. Who not talk about? Yankee? How him drop in?
Tony helped him to get out of jail, to use him against Savage. See, it was so much more clean if they used somebody from abroad, untraceable.
Hold on there. This confuse me.
You know me, you wanna know? Why Tony decided to send Zero to come after me?
Because Tony knows or knew that it was only a matter of time before you or I would discover that he was now running Martin's operation.
Which operation you talk about? You mean the human trafficking operation what we just take down?
Same one.
So what about Audrey?
Upon our son was supposed to be the leverage to get the job done. How Tony set it is that Audrey was supposed to get rid of Savage, and then Zero was to get rid of Audrey.
Hold on. So this kidnapping with Anise and planting or closing my car was for this actually look like a frame me I get frame.
Oh yes. You see, you helped bring down his father.
Me?
Yes. You remember your very first major assignment?
Yeah. Deep sleep in Chicago. His father was the head of the organization?
Mullins, got them bullshit now, man. Just tell her straight up, Just tell her. Tell her, say, you sink the man father in the sleeper program, and that is why he might come after her. As a matter of fact, the same thing you do for your father too.
Zero father was a sleeper?
May I ask you, how well you know Father Mullins?
You know, there's a saying that applies directly to you. You're entitled to your own opinion, but not your own facts. Of course, Zero's father was a part of the program. But he went in so deep, the bubbles he set out don't even reach the surface. He became a criminal of his own rights and wouldn't come out. Her father, on the other hand, went in deep himself, but with a different purpose. There are a number of young girls who are free today because of him. and asked me, no, told me that if he ever get caught, I was not to try and pull him out because he wanted no one to know he was in the program. And if anything happened to him, I was to ensure that she was taken care of.